In this lesson, we're going to discuss velocity in constant motion. So first off, I want to draw my x-axis, and this will be in centimeters. I want to draw my origin, and I'm going to have a series of ticks indicating different position on my x-axis. And I want to then take snapshots of where my robot is. Every second. And this will be at 0 seconds, 1 second, 2 seconds, 3 seconds. Now I want to then take these snapshots and turn them into a motion diagram. So I want to place dots wherever my center was, labeling them in order of motion, and just connect the dots. And I want to connect my connect my dots with an arrow. Now, what do these arrows mean? Well, to understand that, we need to look at the definition of the average velocity. And the average velocity says, well, how far did I go? What's my displacement, my change in position? How long did it take me? Well, how long between each one of these dots is 1 second. That doesn't change. The only thing that could change in our motion diagram is how far did the object go. In this case, it's our robot. So, if I'm looking at this, each one of these went 3 centimeters between snapshots. So this arrow indicates two things. One, it indicates the displacement or change in position, but it also indicates velocity. And I'm just going to label each one of these arrows for the velocities, V0 in order, V1 and V2. And one thing that we can do is compare them. So if I were to line them all up and say this is the 0 mark and this is the 3 centimeter mark, I can begin drawing all of these, and we notice that they're all the same length. So that means their speeds are all the same. So let's analyze their speed then, see if we can't come up with a number. So what is the change in position for each one? Well, we can see that the first one, V naught, between 0 and 1 is 3 centimeters. From 1 to 2 is a difference of x final minus x initial, so it'd be 6 minus 3, giving us 3 centimeters. And the same for the last one. It'd been 9 minus 6, would give you 3 centimeters again. What about time? Each time interval, we notice, is 1 second. This one goes from 0 to 1, 1 to 2, so it's 1 second. So if I looked at my average velocity, and we can just do that up here again. I can plug in my numbers. 3 centimeters over 1 second gives you a speed of 3 centimeters per second. And that's how you find out how fast your robot is going.